On today's body cam, we're checking out this is what happens when you spit on an officer at an airport.
Why you hitting me? It's just a spit.
Oh shit. Oh shit, he smacked her upside the head. Oh my god.
Why you
Oh
hitting me?
nah.
It's just a spit.
Spit on your fucking mama. Don't spit on me.
Spitting on him. No, don't touch my head.
Spit on your effing mama. Don't spit on me. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Boy, we starting off hot, man.
Why you hitting me? It's just a spit.
Spit on your fucking mama. Don't spit on me.
I spit on you. Doesn't matter.
Spitting on him.
No, don't touch my hair, bitch.
You ain't got no hair.
On September 18th, 2025, police were called to the airport after a woman became upset when airport security placed her misplaced belongings in the lost and found. When security tried to return the items, she became erratic. Here's what happened from that day.
So, I'm the security officer for Enterprise, and I normally do my rounds. So, when I was doing my rounds, I saw some belongings unattended.
Okay.
Nobody was not present. A female was right here, charging her phone on the floor. I asked her if it was hers. Something told me she was homeless, but whatever. I didn't want to get to that point. So I took the belongings and returned it to the lost and found at the returns at Enterprise. So when I came back to do my rounds, this gentleman and the female who was sitting there told me that it was her. So I was going to return her stuff, but she already called BSO.
Okay.
So while I was talking on the phone, I was telling the BSO that no, I don't need nobody to come. I'm going to direct her to get her belongings. Her mouth made me feel like she's going to attack me because she's really mad. So I asked for a BSO to come with me and to help me walk her over there to get her belongings until she walked away again, went over there, and when this happened, the female who was there took off as well. So I need your assistance, please.
So,
She took off. I don't know where she went.
and the stuff said lost and found?
I know where it's at. It's in the lost and found, not in there inside the building, but over there. I was going to bring it to her, but she started catching an attitude, so I felt really unsafe.
Okay.
So while I bring her over there to get her stuff,
Only in 68 for opening of Egmont Phosphorus.
I understand what you're saying, but
I don't know where she went.
my whole thing is if she left her stuff, I'm not gonna go look for her stuff.
No, she was right there. There was the officer right here.
So you looking for your belongings?
Yeah, my belongings.
Okay, let's go. She said that it's over here in Lost and Found.
That's what I'm telling her.
It's not in Lost and Found. It's at Enterprise. It's Lost and Found.
Oh, Enterprise. Okay, so I'm not doing that.
No, you don't need it.
Okay, thank you.
What do you have inside the bag?
My belongings. I'm ready to go somewhere tomorrow.
Huh?
Just my belongings, my clothes, my everything. Like, you can search the bag.
Okay, the reason why I'm asking is, if you say your belongings, that's kind of vague.
Okay.
So just tell me something.
I'm
gonna tell you.
Get out of
Just tell me something specific when you open it. That way I know it
my
belongs to you.
clothes, my charger, my hair, everything. Like girly stuff.
Yeah. Let me see whatever ID that you may have. No, it's okay. You can get it up.
Yeah, I don't know where it is.
No. You're gonna find it quicker than I am.
Okay, you can look for it. I don't know where it is. I might not have it. I don't know if she touched my belongings. I'm talking to I'm sorry.
That's that passive aggressive stuff right there, man. Trying to talk crap in front of the person. Like, man, this is a trip, man. This is a trip. Call the officer there to return somebody else. I like that officer's attitude though. He like, yo, if she left, I'm not gonna be looking around for her stuff. Like what do I look like here, man? Do I look like the lost and found officer? Like, you calling me for this? No, but you know, if she did feel threatened, you know, then that's understandable. But man, it seems like, you know, he just needs the ID just so he could document, put in his little report who he made contact with, whatever, you know. But this should be really easy, really smooth, man.
Because I'm telling you to wait.
I'm trying to get on the bus. I'm trying to stay as far away from you as possible.
Well, you're going to have a problem in a minute.
Okay, well, what's the problem?
I told you to wait. I'm going to take
Okay,
this bus
for
stop.
what? For what? Why you all up on me, bro?
Let's go.
So you gotta make a scene?
I'll take your ass to jail. You see anybody around?
You gotta make a scene? I
see
have,
anybody
you know,
around?
your body cam, I have. What you gonna do?
Take your ass to jail. Keep talking shit. Let's go.
Oh, I remember you.
Let's
You're
go.
that Haitian guy.
Let's go.
You're that Haitian one.
This way.
Oh boy.
Why you keep playing with me?
Arrest me. Arrest me.
So what's the charge? Trespassing? Did she get a trespass warning?
What's wrong with you?
Nothing but muscle, man. Why you hitting me? It's just a spit.
Well, spit on your fucking mama. Don't spit on me.
I spit on you.
Yo, this shit remind me of when people get thrown on in prison. Like, think about this for a second, man. It's so messed up, right? You have to, you know, let's say you're whatever. Inmates like to throw feces and piss and stuff like that, you know, on COs and stuff like, and on other inmates too. But you know, they do things like that, right? And you're supposed to actually keep your cool, right? You can't lash out like that, you know. You'll get in trouble, which is it's crazy. But man, yo, you can't. You're a human. You're still a human. You know what I mean? So it's a natural reaction. Like the first time he got spit on, like he just roughed her a little bit, but he didn't really go beyond, you know. Really, that's kind of normal, okay? And then she turns and spits on him again, and he lost it. Now that's normal. Like, you're a human. If you're not an officer, you're not a cop, are you gonna, and you're in your normal clothes, are you gonna let somebody spit on you? Are you gonna let somebody throw piss and shit on you? You're gonna freaking lose it. You're gonna snap. But because these guys are in uniform, they're trained, they're supposed to be, you know, man, forget that, man. What? That's some of the most that's the most disgusting thing people can do. Super disrespectful. That's why people do it, to get under people's skin. She got the reaction that she wanted out of him when he smacked her upside the head. Oh, man.
Why you hitting me? It's just a spit.
Well, spit on your fucking mama. Don't spit on me.
I spit on you. I spit on you. I spit on you, you little bitch. You can't take a spit?
Damn, he's like wig off her head. God damn.
My arm, you're about to break my arm. Call backup.
I ain't called it.
I don't care. I'm not getting up. You're breaking my arm. My arm.
bus.
You're not letting me go. Get your balls out my face. Get your dick out my face. Stop stepping on my fingers.
They getting a show tonight. Whoever's sitting on that bench.
Everything's on camera. Everything's on camera. Little bitch can't even take a fucking tantrum, bro. How many layers
Shut the
you broke?
fuck up. I don't want to talk to
How
you.
many layers you broke my jacket for? Little bitch. My mama raised a pussy ass motherfucking immigrant.
Get your fucking stink ass.
Your
breath
mom
on.
is an
What's wrong with you?
immigrant. Your mom's an immigrant. Thank you. This guy right here, I don't want him touching me.
Don't do that. Don't fucking do that.
This guy right here, I don't want him touching me.
Don't do that. Don't fucking do that. Don't do that. Go ahead, stick it in there. Don't do that. You understand? Don't do that. You'll get yourself hurt. No.
See, you see that other officer's reaction? That's like the corporate reaction. That's the reaction that they expect you to have. You know, just a little grab and, you know, the little talking to. You know, that other reaction that he had when he smacked her upside the head, now that's the more realistic reaction. You know what I'm saying? And depending upon if somebody gonna get in trouble or not, it really depends on your supervisors and stuff. Because you got to understand, like, you know, some supervisors, they be nitpicking and this and that and third. But if it happened to them, they will react the same way. If somebody spit on you, you're going to react the same way. But because it's not you and you have some sort of power, you might you know. Man, you got to get her together, boy. She's foul.
Be respectful.
Can I get on the car?
See, that's the corporate
Can I get
reaction.
in the car? Can I get in the car already?
Hey, call for a spit.
Can I get in the car already? You open the door for my arrest. Oh, this is necessary. I went through the car. Okay, can we get in the car?
Spit on somebody?
Am I spitting on you?
Okay, no,
Am I spitting
it
on
doesn't
you?
matter. You're spitting
Okay,
on
yes,
me,
it
you're
does
spitting on me.
matter. It does matter.
You're spitting on him.
No, don't touch my hair, bitch.
All You right. ain't got no hair.
I don't care. Suck it. Let me suck your dick. Bitch.
All right, you know what? Get in the car.
Thank you. Let me get in the car. Let me get in the car.
Go in this way.
I'm trying to get in the car.
All right. Keep your head turned that way. We're not going to play this game with you.
I'm not playing no game. I told you to let me get in the car. Hold on. Let me put my leg up.
Put your feet in there.
Let me put my leg up. Can you help me put my leg up?
Put your feet in there.
Can you help me put my leg
Put your
up?
feet in there.
Help me put my leg up. I'm
Put your
telling
feet
you
in there.
nice. Help me put my
Turn your
leg
head- Turn
up.
your head that way and put your feet in the car. I'm not going to play that game with you. If you
Help
spit,
me.
I'm going to hurt you.
Help me put my leg on my car. I'm not joking around.
Turn
Help
this
me.
way. Turn this way. She's not going to stop. Yeah, I had one, man, but I got it in my other. I have one. I don't know where it's at. I had.
Oh, shit. Damn, I was invested in this one, boy. Yeah, the second cop, he had the corporate reaction. You know, that the first brother right there, man, he had a more realistic reaction, man. Somebody spit on you, how are you gonna react, man?
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide. Craziest footage on